How to get $200 Mytheresa promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Type in Mytheresa promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Mytheresa. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check 10% off, $165 off, $200 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer that you want to use. So I have selected $200 off. Here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Mytheresa. You'll be directed to the official website of Mytheresa. After you land to the website, you can log into your account, go through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Mytheresa. This way, you can easily get up to $200 Mytheresa promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.